a noodles here too also, and I will try to put it in the outside. Let's see if it's getting froze the whole night. So we will going back tomorrow. Let's see if this noodles is getting froze. Let's go. So if you can see guys, I set up here, and I need this too, so that I'm gonna be put here. So that's the setup. So we will going back tomorrow here, and let's see if it's getting froze. So yan, I want to learn something new, that's why I'm doing this. See you tomorrow, noodles. Hi guys, good morning. Kagigising ko lang. So tignan natin yung experiment natin kagabi, kung nag-freeze ba yung noodles. Excited ako. Let's go. Hindi pa ako naghilamos. Huwag nang maghilamos. Let's see. Yeah. Tignan natin. Nasaan? OMG, guys. Ayan yung lalagyan nun. Tapos yung noodles wala na. Huh? Aris, what did you do? Did you eat my experiment, Aris? Ha? Wala na. Wala na, guys. Ang kapal pa man din ng isno. Kala ko naman magagawa ko yung experiment na yun. Sorry guys. Experiment gone wrong. So, tignan natin sa CCTV kung bakit nawala yung noodles doon. Let's see. So, yan. Tignan natin kung bakit nawala yung ating noodles. So, yan siya. Tignan natin, guys. Oops. 9 AM. Yun, parang nakikita ko yung aso ko doon. Sinipon ako. Ito, madaling araw. Kasi, nilabas ng hobby ko kaninang madaling araw yung aso ko. So, ito yung hinala ko. Check natin to. Ito ba yun? No. Tingnan natin yung iba. Tingnan natin. Ito, try natin to. So, yun. Ayan siya. Yan. Aba, sumilip pa talaga dun sa pintuan bago niya kinain. Ayan. Oh, nag-froze talaga yung noodles ko. Pero kinain ni Aris. Aris. So, ayan guys. If you can see, meron tayong ebidensya na si Aris ang salarin. Siya ang salarin na kumain ng noodles ko. Experiment na noodles na ma-froze siya. So yan guys, sadness. Experiments gone wrong. Yung ating noodles, frozen noodles. So, excited pa man din ako na makita kung talagang mag-froze yung noodles. Tapos yung talagang nakaangat siyang gano'n, nakatayo siyang gano'n. Wala na. Pero gagawin natin yan ulit mamaya kasi it's still snowing in outside and talagang froze siya. Kaya try natin ulit mamaya. Babantayan ko na. See ya!